Hello, I'm doing earrings for my Etsy shop, so I thought I will invite you with me. First of all, I take different stones and look at them and play with them. At this point, I don't really know what I will end up with. This is my most favorite part, blank canvas. So I take this beautiful bunch of stones, different gemstones, kind of like a clover shape, or 4-petal flower, or maybe even cross. I'm drawn to these blue lace agate stones. I don't think the camera does them justice. And they have very intricate, beautiful pattern. Every stone is different, which is beautiful, but also a challenge because it will be very difficult to get matching pair of earrings. At this point, I decide to stick to the blue stones. This dark blue, semi-transparent toned quartz, I think they need special care and attention, probably for another day. This is about 10mm faceted beads. They have this earthy colors together with milky blue in the middle. I wish to do just a simple earrings, which I need to add to my Etsy shop, and I might create kits for earring making, so it will be based for tutorial for these earrings as well. I choose this light blue star cut. Some of the beads almost transparent, the other have a lot of milky inclusions. It's really beautiful. It's about 8mm star cut, and they should work well in a dangle. Choose the matching beads which will work well together, and then I would have to compare two dangles to make sure that they look similar. I will create a dangle using 1.5mm silver plated metal beads. I really like to use spacer beads because I think they bring stones together, and at the same time they allow you to showcase beauty of each stone in the piece. Now we have to decide on our ear wire. I want simple earrings, so I don't really want to use this pattern one. Also, I do like it. I try again my simple wires because I want all the attention on my beads because they are such a beautiful color. Filigree bead, which is around 4mm, it looks really nice, but and this another wire with simple wire with 2.5mm silver plated bead at the end. I can't really decide which one is the best, so I look at these different wires. In the end, I decided to go for these silver plated French wires. I think they look the best with this dangle. Now going to blue lace agate. So we have these beautiful beads. I definitely want to use this bead. I really like color and pattern on it, but I need to find a similar match, which is not very easy. And I think this bead probably matches it. So, and now I need to decide on the wire. I try again my simple wires, and I don't think they really suit. I think I will go, in this case, I will go for the patterned wire. But I think I need the bead cap. So I tried the different bead caps behind the camera, and I come up with this one. This is rhodium plated 4x3mm, and I think it works the best. Gives this finished stylish look to the dangle. So now we're creating our dangles using simple loop. I concentrate on the design in this video, but if you wish more details on techniques, you can click on the video about essential techniques or making simple earrings at the end of this video. I found this design with button jump rings. I quite like it, and I decided to use these jump rings for completing my earrings. So this is the final design of earrings.